Hi guys, right now I'll show you how to replace front side marker light bulb in 2020 Toyota RAV4. The light bulb is located right here. To take it out, simply turn the base counterclockwise and take it out. The bulb is right here. When you take out the bulb, make sure to wear gloves. This way you won't get any oil or grease on the glass. And this is our light bulb. Insert the new one and reinsert the whole thing. Find the proper position and turn it clockwise. This side is done. Let's do the other side. Same idea. You have to turn it counterclockwise. Maybe a bit trickier, but still doable. And this is a bulb again. Insert the new one and carefully put it back in. Turn it clockwise and it's done.